Well, moving on now, Aequs Aerospace has entered into a strategic partnership with Airbus Group by inaugurating a machining facility for them in Belagavi. The facility will see a planned investment of $50 million. Aravind Melligeri, who is the chairman as well as CEO of Aequs, told ET Now's Rahul Dayama that they expect to generate revenues of $75 million once the facility is fully operational. Let's listen in.
It is about a 100,000 square foot facility. It's a brand new, built over the last 6 months, and it has a capacity to have about 150 machines. We'll be able to generate $75 million revenue when fully capacitized and used in over next 3 years time frame. And we are already ready to fill up 1/3 of the facility by end of this year.
Also, want to understand from you, the aviation sector is growing on an average 8 to 10%. So, huge demand potential there. How do you see this panning out, say, in the next 3 to 5 years?
Well, I mean, I need to distinguish between aviation sector and aerospace sector. So we are talking more of aerospace sector here, and definitely aviation sector drives aerospace sector growth, but it's much more different because global. Aerospace is global. Aviation is very local. So aerospace sector, is growing. Depending on supplier, we grow 100% year on year. So aerospace sector is growing a lot faster. And as I told in my earlier speech, it's going to go to about $1 billion per year, sourcing from India, from current $250 million per year. So I think there's a great opportunity to be player in the aerospace industry today.
One last question there. We want to understand from you, we're hearing that Aequs is looking at another round of fundraising. So how much would this tentatively be, and well?
Aequs has been funded by the promoters till date, and we continue to fund by the promoters, and we have no intention to go to market in any time in the near future.
Okay, and moving on to some sports action then.